Hey, what's up, my best creators? Long time no see. I've been super busy last few months. I even moved to Texas and summer here is no joke. It's so crazy hot, it's like living in an oven. And I thought, what if I build to my mini AC using only simple materials? Let's get started. Here's what I've got: a simple plastic container, a 120mm PC fan, a power bank, few tubes. This is cheap and super simple, and we will see if it works. First I'll cut a hole in the lid for the fan. This is going to push the air inside. Then I will make another hole for the air outlet. Basically the idea is simple. Cold air passes over the ice and comes out here like a mini AC. Temperature in the room 80 degrees. Temperature in the box without ice is 79 degrees. Alright, the moment of truth. Let's add some ice inside and check the temperature again. Let's just switch the lid. There we go. Wow, it actually feels colder. It's not a real AC, but it's much better than just a fan. Look at this, it works. Temperature is 53 degrees. Not bad at all. For a couple of bucks and some ice, you can build the same mini AC. Finally, fresh air in Texas. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos.